Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here with the Power Lead system, and I just wanted to say welcome to my video and thank you for coming by. But this is the way that I market online. This is a marketing platform. It's a marketing system where you get unlimited subdomains, unlimited websites, capture pages, and you can build your own capture pages through this very system. And you have unlimited autoresponder messages going out whenever someone put their information or their email address inside of your capture page. They start receiving messages from the system on your behalf to promote. You are promoting your home-based business or whatever you're promoting. You need a capture page to do that with, and you need to generate traffic to that capture page. Let's take a look at some of the capture pages that we use in the Power Lead system. What I forgot to mention, and I know it's early in this video, but I want to tell you, you can start with Lead Lightning, which is the same thing as Power Lead system, but it's the beginning of the Power Lead system, where you can join up with just $7 one-time fee. If you want to stop right there, you get a autoresponder, and you get a funnel, which is the messages that goes out through your autoresponder. But you get a capture page on top of that. The capture page is what a subscriber would put in their info in to receive your autoresponder messages. And right here we have capture pages, different capture pages that we use. And you can always, when you upgrade to the Gold membership, come over and start building your own capture page. Let's take this one right here, for instance. You can promote Power Lead system, which is the marketing system I'm using, or you could promote Lead Lightning, which is the beginning of this marketing system. And mind you, every time someone opt into your page and start receiving your messages, if they buy the Lead Lightning part for $7 one-time fee, you're going to get $6 of that $7. Let's just take a glimpse at this. You can bypass the lead capture page and just advertise the sales page, but you don't want to do that. You want to build a list, and the way you build a list is to promote your capture pages. Right here say Lead Lightning capture pages. Let's take a look at one. Of course, this is one. Anytime that you upgrade in Lead Lightning, to the Power Lead system, you'll be able to promote such capture pages as this one. You can change this to be just the email address space, and you can take this one out by selecting, let me see right quick, show you an example. You can select, just use this one, email, and you can use this one, name and email, whichever one that you desire. And that's the way it is. You know, you can promote even in Lead Lightning. Let's take a look at how Lead Lightning back office look. Once you join Lead Lightning, then you will be able to go into your back office and select a link which will allow you to promote Lead Lightning, or you can select another link. You have two links, A and B. The other link is promoting whatever business that you are promoting online. Let's take a glimpse right quick. I bought a Lead Lightning page for myself, which I paid $7, but I I made $6 out of that $7, so it didn't cost me but $1 to use Lead Lightning as a training tool. So once you join up with Lead Lightning for the $7 one-time fee, you will be able to come over or log into your Lead Lightning site. It's going to look like this, and you can click on Getting Started, and it will bring you to this very page, and it says right here, how do I get started? Click there, and then it's some easy steps you go by, but the main focus is to look at these two links right here. This is link A, and this is link B. Referral link A, referral link B. Referral link A is to promote your Lead Lightning, which is $7 one-time fee when a person, let's click on it to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. When a person put their email address in there, they become your lead. And when they click on Let Me In, they will start receiving messages on your behalf. Let's just type in an email, a fake email address, just to show you how it looks, how it's going to be done once a person, a lead, put in their information. They're going to have to copy this code to let the system know that they are not a robot. Okay, submit. And then this is what comes up. And the video comes up. It's telling them about the Lead Lightning program. Best build a list of rabbit buyers with most powerful lead and money grabbing system. And the thing of it is, when they click on Getting Started or Get Started with Lead Lightning, they are gonna pay the $7, all for just $7 one time for life. And then once they pay that $7, they become your recruit, and you are making $6 out of that $7. It's simple as that. Simple as that. And that's from referral link A. Referral link B is when you have a business or a primary business that you want to promote. This is where you put your link right here. And then you click update. Then you start submitting or promoting that link the same way you would if you would be promoting referral link A. Okay. You need traffic. You need to bring traffic to this site or to your lead capture page, Lead Lightning lead capture page. So we're going to show you where you can put your ad at. A solo ad you can run every 28 days, and it's called Leased Ad Space. And this is what Leased Ad Space look like right here. A solo ad will go out every 28 days for that $7. All it takes is $7. $7 for the traffic generator and $7 for your autoresponder, Lead Lightning, and you are in the money. You are making money when you start promoting. Because when you pay the $7 over here, you're getting text ad, you're getting banner ads, you're getting your solo ad that you can mail out every 28 days. And this is what you get, 8,000 banner ad, 4,000 text ad, and once every 28 days solo ad. This go out every month. You can mail out every 28 days just for $7. You don't get this every month right here, but you can mail out every 28 days. And you can go on up the ladder. You can be mailing out sooner. But the bottom, let me show you this part right here. This is the top of the line, $147. If you purchase every one of these, you'll spend like, about $399 in all. But you can take your time. You don't have to climb up the ladder unless you want to. You can stay there and mail out every 28 days, or you can stay on the second level, mail out every 14 days. But look at here. At the Red Diamond package, you're going to get this every month, 110,000 impressions of banner ads or 60,000 impressions of text ad. This come every month, and you can mail out every 2 days, and you have an unlimited permanent text ad in our classified ads directory. So get your little simple systems to start your business online. You're going to get Lead Lightning, which is $7 one-time fee. And once you join up with Leased Ad Space, instead of just promoting Lead Lightning, you can put your Leased Ad Space link right there and update it and start promoting this link. And every time someone opt into your lead capture page, they will start receiving messages about Lead Lightning and Leased Ad Space. And when person join up under you, you're making 100% commission. You make that back. Let me show you, just give you an example, and I'm going to leave, but click on that link below to get started. Let me show you something right quick. We're going to log in just to show you, give you a little proof of that you will get paid on these these marketing systems. It doesn't take but $7 one-time fee on both of them, and that's $14, and you can start making money. Let me show you. These are my sign-ups so far on the first level, which is the Pearl level, for the $7. I made my $7 back 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times I made my $7 back. So, you know, this is proof that it works, and you can do this. Just sign up. The links are at the bottom. And my name is Marlon Carter. It would be a pleasure for me to work with you. So sign up at the bottom and learn. We got training. We got promotional tools, anything that you want in Lead Lightning to start promoting. It doesn't have to be Leased Ad Space, but you can join Leased Ad Space to start getting more traffic to your capture page in Lead Lightning. But if you with Amway, Excel, Ameriplan, Tahitian, Noni, whatever your business may be, you can do it through or promote it through Lead Lightning. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.